Hey, Fidivo staff. There's a lot of machines and pieces of equipment that we have that make little squeaks and noises. We're right here at the hammer strength seated leg curl. This is one of the biggest culprits when you're out and about. You'll be hearing it squeak when members are using it. And what happens is when you put a plate on or more and it gets pushed in, there's actually some area right in here. You can kind of see the difference how it's shiny here and it's about worn down. When the plate's on and this machine is in motion like this, the plate spins around and it causes that squeaky metal on metal, ear piercing, nails on the chalkboard sound. So if you do hear that, make sure that all of these rubber gaskets are all the way pushed as far forward as possible. But then we're going to take the super lube and a white rag, and we're going to spray it, and we can kind of pull these out and get the whole area around. But also, if you want to, hold the rag behind it and just kind of spray the metal itself and wipe it all around. Don't be afraid to be really liberal with this. It's not going to cause any damage to anything else as long as you're not getting it on the floor. And then I like to take these and spin them a little bit, make sure everything's lubed up inside and out. And then I'll even do one more outside, knowing that it will eventually go to the inside. And that should prevent it from squeaking when plates are put on and it's in motion. And you can find the super lube behind the smoothie bar and the little cleaning area below the clipboards. All right, hey Fidivo staff, we're over here at the cable attachments. We're going to go over how to eliminate the squeaks of these straight bar cable attachments. So there's actually 3 of them. This one is newer, and you see that there's not as much give in this little area right here. So this one actually doesn't squeak yet. It will after use. These 2, you can see how loose they are, how much give they have. There's a lot of metal on metal action in there, so you'll hear these squeak quite often, especially when people are using them with heavy weight and as they're rotating, right? So what we want to do to eliminate the squeaks on this is grab that super lube. I like to lay a towel down and put the attachment on the towel, and then I can just literally spray in that little area, that little seam on each side, and then just rotate it. And then I'll wipe off the excess so we're not getting lube on members' hands. And I'll do that to all of these. If we could start doing this once a shift, that would help out immensely.